I want to go over there and fix it, but the freaking truck is locked! My gosh! Don't ever go to freaking Walmart! Because it's freaking expensive! More expensive than freaking Winn-Dixie! Ah! Don't ever go to Payless either because it's freaking free! No! 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 Get away from this truck, freaker. Get away from this truck. Get away! You women. Get away! Mother freaking away! You freaking crow, get away! God! Don't poop on the freaking truck, you seagull! Ah! Freaking! Freaking birds pooping all over my freaking truck! It's so dumb! If you pooped on my head one day, I will freak you up. Because you don't need that. You don't need to do that. Just poop on the ground. Don't poop on anything. God, we have a freaking life. Ah! Oh, the frick! Get away! You freaking crows! Ugh. Get away, you mother freaker. Away. Get away. No. No. Hey, seagull! No. Stop making your freaking noises. Just get out. Freaking. You better not be pooping on here, you butthole. You're lucky I can't even see you. You're pretty lucky. Or I'll kick your anus. God.